Hello there! Today we are going to do an exciting drawing which is patterns. We see multiple patterns or different types of patterns right here. Why don't we take our crayon and start making these? Do you see that these are called standing line? Yes, you're right. Why don't we complete this entire design in this portion? Let's see how to hold this crayon. We need to hold it like a pencil. Why don't we see how to hold it with our right hand now? This is how we hold it with 3 fingers right here. We shouldn't hold it behind, okay? We need to hold it right in front. It is going to be easier for us to write. So let's start making our standing lines. Let's keep our crayon right here and drag it down. Yes, something like this. Continue making these lines. Try and keep equal distance between all of these lines. It is okay if you make a mistake. This looks lovely, isn't it? Now it's time for us to change our crayon. Which color are you taking? Light blue. Now let's start making slanting lines. Yes, it is going to be just like a standing line, but a little slant this time. Let's complete making all of these slanting lines. Make sure that you start from the top line and get it till the bottom line. Do not go out of the line, okay? That's lovely. Now let's take our next color, which is dark blue. That's right. Now let's make the slanting lines the other way round. We will slant it towards the left side. So we will take the color from the top line and get it on the left hand side. Don't you worry if your crayon is broken. Let's continue with what we have. Let's finish it in a similar way. If you feel that you're not comfortable, peel off the top part and continue. This is so much fun. Let's complete the entire line. Lovely. Now it's time for us to change our color. Which color are we taking next? Yes, orange color. Let's start by making these wavy lines. Doesn't it look like the letter S? Yes. Continue making these wavy lines from the top till the bottom. All we have to do is make a C at first and then make a curve at the bottom. Just like the letter S. This is amazing. Now let's change our color once again and start doing the last one. We are going to take green color. This is a similar design, so we are going to make the letter S but the other way round. So let's make a curve at first and then take it outwards like this. We need to take a pointed crayon for this one. If we take a blunt crayon, there are chances that our drawing may not look good. So make sure that you take a pointed crayon for this one. And our design is done.